Hello viewers, and in this class we're going to look at logarithm of number greater than 10, and in this case we're going to use a logarithm table to evaluate these questions. So given question is open brackets, the cube root of 38.82 times 2.964 all over 8.637 times 6.85 close bracket raised to power 2. Here it's a use table to evaluate this. First thing we have to do here is to write the number. We'll look at calculation. And let's put here middle is log, and we create a room for calculation. Okay, here we are seeing cube roots and square. The cube root simply means we at the end of this, since is cover everything, we are going to divide the result by 1/3, and this square means we're going to multiply the result by 2. The first thing you do here is we write the number first. The first number is 38.82, and here we have to look at the logarithm table, and the first thing you do is to see do you look at your characteristics. So your characteristics in 38.82, first of all you express this number in standard form. That means we're going to shift it this way. That means this will become 3.882 times 10 raised to power 1 times 10 raised to power 1. So for this number here, 38.82, the characteristics there is 1 point. So what the next thing is, we are going to look at the log under our logarithm table. We're going to look at 38 under 8 difference 2. So 38 under 8 will give us 5888. Then difference 2 will give us 1. If we add it to it, usually you add the difference to it, this will give us 1 point. This is 1.5 1.5889. So that's how you, first of all you must look at the characteristics. So this one is 2-digit number. You express it in standard form, and before the decimal points, and the characteristic becomes that. So you look at 38 under 8, you find the logarithm is 5888. Then difference 2 is 1, so we add 1 to this and our result become that. Then we're going to look at this first. This is 2.964. Here this number is already in standard form, so that means this one is 2.964 times 10 raised to power 0. So here our characteristics here is 0. Okay, then we're going to look at 29 under 6 difference 4 from our logarithm table. So the logarithm table will help us to do that one, and if we do that, our result here is 0 is 47 1 3, and difference 4 is 6. If we add it to it, that will give us 0.4719. Okay, and from logarithm we are seeing multiplication here. What we need to do, we need to add this. We add this first, add this folks. So we do the adding, and this will give us 8, give us 10, 1, 9, that will give us 6. Okay, that will give us 6. This plus this 9, that will give us 0.2. So here we bring it here, this will become 2.0608. So we're done with the numerator of x. Okay, here what next is the denominator. The denominator will have 8.637. Then here this number is already in standard form. That means the characteristic is 0, so 0 points. So let's look at the logarithm table. 86 under 3 difference 7. 86 under 3 difference 7. The result there will give us the result there will give us 0 points. Already 0.9364. Okay, so difference 7 is 4. 86 under 3 is going to give us 9360 plus the difference 7 is 4. You add it to it, come 9364. Okay, let's look at the next one here. 66.285. The characteristics here is also 0. It's already in standard form. Points. Standard form points. Now let's look at 62 under 8. Then difference 5. Everything will give us 0.79. 0.7983. If you look at this, what we have here is multiplication 2. We add it. This is 7, 14. 1 year, that is 13. This is 16, 17, 1.7, 1.7, 1.7, 1.744, 1.7347. Okay, and we'll bring the result here. So let's look at this carefully. 0.360 plus this. So this is 14. 14 minus 1 year, 10, 13. This plus this is 16 plus 1, 17. So here we will bring this result here, which is 1.7347. So here, look at this line here. The line here is all about division. So that means here we're going to subtract the result of x. Subtract the result. Here's 8 minus 7 is 1. We borrow 1 from here, become 5. Here is 6. 5 minus 3, we have 2. Here we borrow 1 from here, here become 10. 10 minus this, we have 3.0. Okay, then we need to apply all this. All this means all this means raised to power 3 2 over 3. So here this 2 over 3, we will use it to affect this this question, this result here. So our result here is 0.3261 times 2 over 3. So the 2 will multiply this first, and then we'll divide by 3. Okay, let's do that. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 6 is 12. We'll write down 2, carry 1. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 1. Here we have become 5. 2 times 3 is 6. And 2 times 0 is 0. So divide by 6. So here, everything here, we see times 2 over 3, okay, times 2 over 3. So dividing this result by 3, here it becomes this is 0, 0.2, 6 divided by 3, as 3 in 5 is 1, remainder 2, then you push that 2 to this, the other 2 there will be 22, so that will give us 7, 7 into this remainder 1, push that 1 to this 2 become 12, 12 in 3, that will give us 4. Okay, this number we have here, we have to go to our anti-logarithm table. We go to anti-logarithm table and see 21. Let's look at anti-logarithm table. So let's look at 21 under 7. 21 under 7. Here is 21 under 7. 21 under 7 is 1648. Is 1648. Then let's look at difference 4. 21 under difference 4. Difference 4 is difference 4 is 2. So we add the difference to it, plus 2, and everything here will become 1650. 1650. So now if you look at this carefully, now because of the fact that here this is 0, this is what? 0. Because it is 0, that means we're going to shift this one time. Assuming this place is 2 or 1, we're going to move our decimal places 2 times 1, 2. But because this is 0 now, we shift it one time, and our answer becomes 1.650. So the whole of this question now is equals to 1.650. Okay, so all you need to do is, first of all, you follow the procedure. The procedure is here. You have to note what is called the characteristics. Put the characteristics of this number and find their logarithm. 38 under 8 difference. You must add the difference to it. Then the operations are here. This is multiplication. That means you are going to add. So those are the procedure that we have just done here. If you have that thing, you can use your calculator to check the results. Okay, I'll see you in my next virtual class. Have a nice time and stay wow.